This is a 2002 Dodge Ram 1500 single cab short bed with 48,000 miles. Yep, 48,000 miles, rust free. Just a absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous truck. We custom painted the wheels. Bumpers, smoke taillights and headlights, tow package. The vehicle is running. It needs nothing. It's been fully serviced through our shop. It has new control arms, sway bar links, brake pads, rotors. The tires are in great condition. It has a bed liner. We rhino line the Nerf bars on top. We will not finance this truck. This truck is too old for financing. If your credit score is above a 720, we can assist you in financing, but that's the only option we have. Too old of a truck for the banks. I apologize for the wind noise. The beige interior is like new. No rips, no stains, no wear marks. No cracked dash, believe it or not. Comes with an aftermarket radio with Bluetooth, backup camera, 48,197 miles. Cruise control. No sagging headliner. In absolutely incredible, incredible condition. One more walk around for you. Sorry about the sun glare. So again, this is a 2002 Dodge Ram single cab short bed, 48,000 miles, V8 engine, needs nothing, absolutely stunning truck.